So today we're talking about what mic systems, microphone to use for your vlogging, YouTube, or just in general to use either with whatever you're recording with. Either it's your smartphone or your camera, your DSLR. Or you guys, look who came and joined me. And he was supposed to be asleep, but he snuck downstairs and came down. This is my little son. His name is Aiden. And look at the hair, you guys. It's all wild, and I got none left. This is the reason. So I'm gonna put him back to bed and then get back to recording in a little bit, you guys. So I'll be back. What's going on, everybody? My name is Sam and welcome to my channel. And if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow your channel and get more views, start now by subscribing and clicking that bell so you can be up to date on new content that comes out. So today I'm reviewing the BOYA by-M1, you guys. Hope you can see it clearly. And so the BOYA by-M1, which is a recorder, you guys, and it can be used basically with smartphone, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders, and PC. Okay, so the price is $20, you guys. Whopping $20, really cheap on Amazon. You can get it, and let me show it to you again so you can see it. $20. There you go. That's not bad for 20 bucks. So the BOYA by-M1 comes with a microphone, and that's this right here, and it's connected to the wire, and it has the phone windscreen. It also comes with a 3.5mm adapter that goes into your camcorder or DSLR cameras or your smartphone. It comes with also the 6.3mm, and it comes with, I already put the battery in here, and it's a LR44 battery. So all you have to do is just twist this right here like this, and the battery is right there, you guys. Hopefully you can see it. And all you have to do is just basically twist that once you put it in. It comes with the carrying pouch and the manual instructions. The good thing is this thing comes with 6 meters of cord, and it's really long. So if you're a person who's on the go, this is probably not the thing for you to use, but it has a lot of length. And so the capsule is basically plastic, and it's decent, you guys. It's decent plastic. There's a microphone clip, you guys. That's this, and that's gonna go right here. So all you have to do is just snap it in there, just like that. And you're gonna put the the phone windscreen just right above the microphone, just like that. So this is going to be clipped on you like this, okay, when you talk. So basically the microphone clip has plenty to clip on the clothes. As you can see, it's when you open it up just like that, it has decent amount. The standard, the cable is basically standard, and it may I think it may wear out over time after extended use. And the capsule lining to the switch, let me show you guys. Over here, right over here, it says when you're using it on your smartphone, if you use it on your smartphone, think about it, this is a 3.5 millimeter. And so you're gonna need, you know, I have an iPhone 11, so I needed this cable to use with it. But so switching to the camera, let me talk about so when you put it on, this thing has a battery in it, and since it has a battery, whenever you use this, whenever you connect this to your 3.5 millimeter to use on your smartphone, right over here it has camera. You switch it up. Can you see it? There we go. Right there. You switch it up, and that's on if you're going to use it on DSLR cameras. And if you're going to use it on smartphone, you don't have to, because the camera already has a built-in battery in it, so you don't have to use the battery that comes with it, so you leave it off. And you can unscrew this, you know, you can unscrew the capsule basically where the battery goes by twisting this. So the battery basically has a, you know, it's the battery cable has like 6 millimeter cord that's basically long enough, and it terminates, you know, right over with the 3.5 millimeter jack. And I tried it already on my iPhone using it, and it sounds really good. You know, for 20 bucks, it's not bad. But let me just go and read some of the transducer. It says it's let me see. It's the polar pattern. It's an omnidirectional. The frequency range is 65 hertz to 18 kilohertz, and it says the signal noise is 74 decibel. Let's see. It has the connector. I already told you it's a 3.5 millimeter, and it also comes with a 6.3 millimeter. And it has the battery is the LR44 battery, and with the foam windscreen with the 1/4-inch adapter. It has the microphone. It weighs a total. The microphone weighs about 2.5 grams, you guys. And the power module weighs about, it says 18 grams. Let's see what else. Oh, the sensitivity of the noise, it's about -30 decibel. And the frequency range is 65 hertz and to 18 kilohertz. So it's not bad, you guys. For 20 bucks, it sounds pretty good. I would use it. I have this one that I use on my camera that I'm recording with right now. So it's really, I mean, I enjoy it. I like it. It sounds good. And maybe you guys can tell me, you know, what you think of as far as, you know, which one to use. But definitely this one is not, you know, something I would take if I was on, you know, on the go or whatever. I would probably use just, you know, the Movi VXLR 10. And this one I would just use if I'm just going to be recording right here from my desk. So it's not bad for 20 bucks. I mean, I like the way it sounds. The only thing is that it doesn't come with the it comes with the 3.5 millimeter TRS, but it doesn't come with the TRRS connector. But the Movi comes with the TRRS connector and the TRS 3.5 millimeter. And for anybody that doesn't know what that is, let me show you. Here's the TRRS. So that's what that is. And so I like it. So I mean, I recommend to use this if I'm going to be in home, but if I'm going to be on the go, not to use it, because I think it's just the cord is long. But the cord is 6 meters long, and so it's long enough for you to sit. You know, I don't know how far you guys can see from here to my back wall, but it's long enough, you know, to reach all the way over there and past. So for me, I like this if I'm gonna be sitting at home recording it, you guys. So, but for 20 bucks, it's not bad. It sounds good, and I recommend it for $20. And I'll put the link, you guys, below, you guys, so you guys can look at it. And it's on Amazon. And here's the picture of it again, so you guys can see it. It's the BOYA by-M1, you guys. So not bad for $20. All right, you guys, so until next time, don't forget, you guys, if you found any value in this video, make sure you hit the subscribe and make sure you hit the bell right next to it, so that way you can be notified of new contents that come out. And also make sure you leave a comment and tell me what kind of mic you guys use for, you know, your YouTube recording, or for whatever you use on your camera or smartphone. And tell me, you know, which one you like the best, you know. And I would love to know which one you guys use. And if this is your first time, you know, just drop in the comment and say hi, you guys. All right, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, peace.